Hey guys, Stealth here. This is just a quick game trying out Gra Loadout, and also I'm leveling up my .357 in this one. Um, Enjoy the video, and if you like the video, drop down a like in the bottom and subscribe. I see at least it looks like one team's going east.
Yeah, it looks like one team's going there.
One landed there.
Yeah.
One landed there.
Yeah.
I'm landing here.
I'm right there.
Moving here.
Where?
Going this way.
I have gas mask,
Nice city.
and I have a silence pistol as
There's a
well.
recon on me.
Recon. I don't really want to do them, to be fair. Let's just do scavengers first.
Yeah.
I haven't even got to try the C4 out yet, fuck's sake. Right, how many people already have planes, man? What the fuck?
Found a pistol.
Magnum.
You know what? That's looking kind of like an option still.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Even though I have a normal Magnum on me right now.
I've got a thermal science AR.
I had a silenced pistol, but then I swapped out for the Magnum. Yo, man just had a loud explosion on me.
So,
I'm shitting my pants, bro. Why you gotta do that to me, man? Bro, without even starting the scavenger, we already have bare money.
true. I didn't even clock.
What house was the pistol in?
It was on the roof.
Going this way.
And how do you get to the roof? Is it like a ladder or staircase?
There's a ladder
Outside or
on
inside?
the first floor. Inside, I think. Trying to find it for you.
I mean, I'm on the same level as you. I'm assuming it's these stairs here.
Moving.
Yeah, it's here. Okay. And of course I just fell. For fuck's sake.
Well,
Fell through the glass.
fight.
Ooh, fight to death. Where was it?
Fight to this. It was like right there. Wait. Unless it's up here. No, it's not. Yeah, it might be downstairs actually.
Fuck's sake.
Wait. I'm actually so confused now.
Oh, I see it.
Is that upstairs?
Yeah. It was like right here.
Someone came through here.
Alright, cool. What's the plane?
Whatever you want to do in it.
Found a sniper rifle.
Should we push that recon though? Or not recon,
Scavenger, yeah.
scavenger. What happened to the second one? There was
Yeah.
like a second one nearby.
Maybe the other team took it.
Yeah, probably. Gonna break your
Necrosis.
nose.
Located a supply box. Secure that position.
Also gonna be on the roof of the next building.
I think it is on roof. You know, you might just go up,
Oh, I thought it was up here.
go up it just in case, because I feel like it's on the next roof.
There's this one.
Moving
I
here.
have dynamite. Yeah, I was gonna tell you to go all the way up there and jump down in it.
Yeah.
Alright, Lee, I got this, bro. Move.
Bet.
The trick is to jump sideways, by the way.
Move to the next location.
Oh,
Yeah, so like, let me show you. Instead of jumping like this, Luke, like that,
jump sideways.
jump like that, like diagonally, not sideways.
Still trying to work, not like, hey.
So basically, look,
I get the
imagine
premises.
this is where you're jumping.
Yeah,
Face that way.
I get it. I got it.
It's not that hard, man. Just make the jump forward.
Contract updated. New objective identified.
Should we get loadout?
Let's finish this one and get the loadout.
Oh, cool.
I've got a trophy system, by the way.
Someone came here.
Yes. The lad outside.
It's not even outside. It's like first floor or some shit. Oh, I got it.
Oh,
All supply boxes found. Solid work. Does anyone need this?
Oh, he already has one. Right. Should we push this shop there?
Vendor here if you need equipment.
ooh.
Alright, someone just landed in.
Contact!
Let's go.
We break through windows because we're cool.
Damn, it feels great to be a gangster.
I'll push the right side.
I don't know where this guy went. He's not at shop. Should we just get Loadout and see if we can bait him with it? Oh, I see him.
Right here.
He's one. Like, he's literally one. I hit him. I broke his.
I've got you.
One here. One. Five. Break that one. He's a bot. 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 He's right here. He's on me.
Enemy!
Nice.
I've got you.
One more. He's gonna finish me. Of course he would.
I have no ammo.
They may have sent us to do that. Surviving earns
I'm gonna do that straight away.
My heart is pumping so mad. I killed them all.
Nice.
And I have 18k. So I'm gonna call the Loadout in. I'm gonna
Yeah,
Bye.
I'm coming in.
armor. Actually, I might not.
5 armor on you.
I might not buy
You
armor.
don't need to buy me.
I didn't buy you. I was gonna go Loadout. Oh, I fucked up the Loadout.
Moving.
Did you put one in? Like right now?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's get over this.
There's probably enough armor for us to refill here. And there's also a gas mask as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
But bro, I did him dirty, bro.
That guy did me dirty. Instead of shooting you or something, you just
No. Like, imagine he was standing here, right? And we were here, proned. So obviously, I went all the way around. I just go, like, and I just double tap him.
Yeah, I'm using the FAMAS and the MB5.
Yeah.
FAMAS. I'm using FAMAS semi-auto mode the whole time. It was a bit like that.
I don't even know what
Just
to go
close
to.
up, I didn't have
Should we go for that bounty in front of us?
Friendly loadout drop on the
Yeah.
way.
Oh, that's annoying. Actually, yeah, no, this is good actually. I'll call in my ground loadout, so you can try it out, along with my pistol as well.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Helicopter.
They're probably going for loadout.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. I put a stun on them. One's in there. I stunned one.
Grenade out.
I threw a grenade somewhere.
Okay. Found them.
I tagged him, bro. Oh, behind.
On roof.
I'm jumping in, bro.
Someone came through here.
I need to reload, and I'm bare shaking. I don't know where.
Okay.
Cruel to me.
Nice. One more,
I've got you.
I think.
I team wiped,
Okay, cool.
but like I only killed one person, so I have no clue. Let me call out my second
Yeah.
loadout. So you can try out my gun.
I just try out the ground. I just swap out the mouse.
There you go. Alright. Let's go pick up the bounty like we
Wow.
agreed on.
Gas is closing in.
Yeah, hold on, I'm trying to pick up the ground. It's not working. I can't pick it up properly. It's not letting me pick it up because the loadout is in the way.
There you go.
Alright, there we go.
All I did was literally just pull it.
Yeah, at least you
Actually, let
couldn't
me
pick
armor
up.
up and pick up
Get
these
to the
ones.
zone.
Do you wanna just grab this bounty and then use helicopter to get drone? Or actually, we can walk it. There's no need for helicopter.
We'll see how close they are.
Bounty target has been marked. Kill them.
They're in downtown. I'm
They're
not
pretty
sure if it's a good idea to get.
Let's just run it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think I know why he has the barrel. The guy has the short barrel for extra mobility, because he uses
Yeah.
60 mag, where I use 50.
60 rounds.
So I have slightly more like we pretty much balance out with mobility.
They're in the fight, I think.
Yeah. Are they
I
on the
don't have
roof?
my heartbeat sensor. Probably.
Why didn't you pick one up? You could have just got a loadout yourself.
Yeah. I just thought, don't care. You have one.
Yeah. They're appearing on map though,
I
so
just rely on. They might have the other
I'm
sort of
moving.
yeah, I thought like they are though.
If you didn't place a
Yeah,
claim.
they're in there. Yeah.
Moving.
Alright, I'll just ascend and check.
Yeah.
Alright, safe to come.
Come on.
These guys are no longer appearing on map for me, by the way.
You see the car though? They're still
Yeah.
shooting.